Welcome everyone for another tip of the week with Killian Consulting. Again, my name is Joanne. Thanks for joining me again today. We are going to work on keyboard shortcuts or text replacement today. So this would come in handy when you have to type something in quite often that is a little bit cumbersome to type in. So I'm going to use my email address as an example. So we're going to start in our settings and then go ahead and scroll down to General. And then we're going to go down to Keyboard, and we're going to look at the text replacement area. There are other settings in here as well. Feel free to explore that on your own. We're going to go into text replacement. And I already have some that I have created here, but I'm going to go ahead and hit the plus sign at the top and add a text replacement. So I'm going to type in my email, joanne@jkillianconsulting.com. Oops, and I have an error there. So here's the trick from last week. I can change that K to an L. Oops, to an L. jkillianconsulting.com looks good. And then what I want to type in for that text replacement would be a JKC. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. And now when I go to a place where I would normally be putting in some text, for example, a note, when I type JKC in, I can go ahead and hit the space bar and it will populate that information out there. Another one that I had, for example, I always type in when I'm trying to type in morning, I start to type MERN, and you can see that it is the autocorrect there. So when I hit the space, it's going to change MERN, M-I-R-N, to morning. So I hope that's helpful. You can plug in as many of those as you want. They really can help you save time in the long run on your phone. Have a great day. Thanks for joining me.